Hello, everybody. When you have the right information about Forex, you don't hesitate. You should. And as you can see, I have my real account. Today, here, I'm scalping the market, buying it at the low. Let's add another trade so that you can see what I mean by low and sell high. This is the power in this strategy because this strategy includes the right information that I offer always. So here the market is at the low. So today it's Friday. I won't be staying for a very long time because I'm scalping. So in a matter of 5 minutes, I'll be out of the market. So when the clock is 1700 hours, I'm gonna be out. So right now, let's wait patiently for it because at 5 o'clock exactly, which is 1700 hours, I'm gonna be closing my trade. So now let's wait patiently. So what you have to know about me is that I don't usually trade Nas. For me, I trade currency only because it's because of the risk. I don't like risking more and profiting less. So with the Nas, it's like I'm risking less and I'm profiting. I'm risking more and I'm profiting less. So which is something I don't like to do. So I advise any trader, if you are new to Forex market, don't be a follower, be a student, learn, but don't be a follower. Make your own decision because if you don't do that and you follow, because if you see me making money in NAS and gold and stuff, so you follow me, chances of you making it, they are becoming less. So I advise you to rather at least go to tried currencies which they have a lowest spread, like the Euro USD. Stick there, learn more, and then here it is my first time making a profit on the NAS because I don't usually trade the NAS. This is my first time and I've been looking it with a close eye. What's happening? I've been practicing on it, and right now I'm very much sure that yes, with this strategy that I have, the right information that I have about Forex, I can be able to trade anything. But because of risk, I don't usually trade more than maybe getting out of trading NAS, just like as you can see here. And now my target is at least to get my 516 USD to at least 800 or 900 USD, and then I'm out of the market end of the week. So as I'm waiting patiently for 1700 hours, which is 5 o'clock, so that I can close my trade. As you can see now, I'm sitting off in a profit of at least 150 USD. I think it's time for me to lock the profit. And remember, stop loss is very important in the Forex market. Never, never, never trade without using a stop loss. So here, right now, I want to lock my profit because NAS is acting weird most of the time. So I'm happy with what I see, the results. I'm very impressive because these results, they show me that, yeah, with the kind of information that I have, the right information about buying low and selling higher, the strategy or the basic strategy that governs all the strategies in the Forex market. And now let me look my profit so that I don't forget the number. Let me see. Yeah, and remember, never, never, never trade without using a stop loss. It's very important in your Forex journey for you to make it. So here I'm locking my profit, but before locking my profit, I want to make sure that I don't put the lock profit at the same price. I want to at least make it almost time. See, the time is 59 at 1700 hours. I'm gonna lose all of my trades. So even if I put a stop loss, it won't be that useful. But I want to wait at least. Let me see. I want to hit a target of 900 or at least 800. I mean, of USD. Almost there, 250. Come on. Let's come on. Almost time. Ocean network. Alright. Time for me to let me close. It's 1700 hours. Let me close. Let me check market before closing the other trades. Okay, close. 1700 hours. Close. Close. Yes, we've reached our target. Yes, which is 800. Oh, come on. Okay, close. Now I'm gonna sell this at the higher there. Remember, I'm scalping. I don't take long to be in the market. I scalp, take trade, I get out. Time for sale. Yeah, time for sale. Remember, I will take at least maybe 2 minutes or less, or maybe 3. So the maximum is 5. Okay, let's wait patiently so that we see our profit in Nas. Okay, wait, 700 low. Taking us back. With the right information, you don't hesitate. You should. When you get the right information, you can trade anyhow without strategy, but get the right information of knowing when to buy and when to sell, because that's the fundamental or the basic level of Forex. And let's get to 900 at least. Okay, let me look at it. Yes, as I've said, get the fundamental or get the basic information, which is the right information about Forex. Buy low, sell high, and that's it. Don't have to stress about a lot of things about checking whatever you want to check. Just get the right information. If you need help, ask, seek that help. You'll find it, because all those ones which they search, they find. So for me, I'm very impressed. I am impressed. Yeah, so let me check if the NASDAQ is a very, very volatile instrument. So be very careful when you're trading it, so that you don't get yourself blowing your account, because it's very important that you do that for your account, to survive. And then let me see if I can close my trade, because I can see that it's not moving that much down, and I want it to give me at least 900, and then I'm out. But since it's doing like this, it seems like I'm gonna close my trade. So far I'm not bad with that 12. Okay, 20. Come on. Give more. Right? Okay, 34. Almost. Come on. Almost 5 minutes, because that's my maximum. And come on. Come on. All right. Bear me close. Me close. Yeah, remember, take your profit. When you feel like you want to take profit, take it. Don't hesitate. Let's buy. Time for me to buy it. Okay. Yeah, right now I'm risking. I want to risk less. I want to at least risk that 50 if the market doesn't react the way I predicted that it will. But for sure, it will, because almost and yes, it is end of the week, so I don't want to trade heavily, and I don't want to stick too long with my scalping strategy. Plus the right information that I have about buying at the low and selling at the high. So yes, just wait for it. And okay, let's see how it plays out. All right, let me see. Let's wait. I don't want it to get to 10 past. No, I don't want to get it there. At least maybe 7 past or 8 past. I'm closing my trade, and then I'm out of the market. We'll see it next week. Okay. So far, doing good. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Actually, I do like trading the Nas, because of the profit, it's very quick, you get it. Not that I'm undermining the currencies. No, I don't undermine them. They are also great. They may close my profit. Yeah, no. I want to get out, or I've waited too long. I want to get out so that I can close the week with the profit. Let me wait for, right, almost I've reached my maximum waiting time. Remember, I have a plan on how I trade and the time, so everything is managed. So I'm gonna close my trade now. Let me go and close them. No, close. It's end of the week. Close my trade. Yours truly, Bother the Trader,